Hey everyone, welcome back to another journey into mindfulness. Today I'm diving into two powerful methods to beat stress, the Zen method and the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20th rule. First up, the Zen method. Now, picture this, a clear, uncluttered space around you. Your mind feels just as clear. The Zen method is all about simplicity and mindfulness. It's about decluttering your space and, in turn, decluttering your mind. When you clear away the unnecessary, you make room for what truly matters. Take a few deep breaths. Feel the air filling your lungs. Let it out slowly. This simple act can ground you in the present moment, reducing that overwhelming feeling that stress brings. Next, let's talk about the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20th rule. This principle is a game changer. It states that 20% of your efforts produce 80% of your results. Think about that for a second. How much time do we waste on tasks that don't really move the needle? By identifying the key tasks that have the biggest impact and focusing on them, you can let go of the rest. This isn't just efficient, it's liberating. Combining these two methods can transform your approach to stress. Simplify your life with the Zen method and amplify your results with the Pareto principle. It's about making mindful choices, focusing on what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't. So take a deep breath, clear your space and focus on that vital 20%. Your journey to a stress-free life starts now.
Helpful, hit that like button.